Welcome back to Studio in a School. Today we're going to make a tree. Last time we practiced how to make leaves. Now we're going to use our leaves on a tree. We're going to make a tree with the leaves. So before we start our tree drawing, let's take a look at some different trees. Notice the shape of the tree trunks, the branches, and how the leaves are on the trees. You won't be able to see leaves on the trees that much now, but if you look outside, maybe you see a tree. Look at the trunk of the tree and the branches. Look at the shape. So to start a tree, we have to start by drawing the trunk of the tree. So I'm going to use a straight line. It doesn't have to be exactly straight. I'm making this a little wavy line. It doesn't have to be straight. The tree doesn't grow exactly straight. Some trees might, but there are different types of trees. So draw two lines, and then that's the trunk of the tree, and then from the trunk comes the branches. The branches are smaller, so I'm going to go up and out like that, almost like I'm making a Y shape, and then I'm going to put another line maybe like a V shape, like the letter V, like the Y shape and the V shape. So the branches has to be smaller than the trunk of the trees. There are many different types of trees, so some trees have more branches, so you can make them smaller as you go up. So I could make another Y and another V. So you have branches. Or you could put another line right here, and that could be another branch. So you can decide how many branches you want to have on your tree. Now once you have the trunk and the branches, then I'm going to make leaves. Now the leaves is going to cover this area on the tree. Inside this area I'm going to put the leaves. So remember how you made your leaves. Make a shape, big leaf, and you keep making the leaves that same shape. Once you decide on a shape of your leaf, use that leaf right throughout your tree. The tree always have the same types of leaves. Fill the space with leaves. My tree has a lot of leaves, so I could go out a little bit outside my line, and that's my tree. Now once you finish drawing the tree, you can start coloring. Now I could just use my pencil if I don't have colors, make the tree a little darker, and then I do the leaves. So I could go over the leaves and color inside the leaves. So I keep coloring inside the leaves with a pencil until I finish coloring out all the leaves. So it's going to take a little while. You can go over your trees to make either the tree darker and the leaves lighter, or the leaves darker and the tree lighter. And how you get it dark is by how much you press down on your pencil. Okay? And then once you finish your tree, you can put something on the ground. You can put a line, and then you can put grass, like the tree someplace. Okay? Put some lines like that. If you have color pencils or crayons, you can color your tree. I like to color the trunk of the tree brown. Now there are different types of brown. You have light brown and you have dark brown. You choose the color that you like. And sometimes I mix my colors. Sometimes I put one brown and then I take another brown and go over it. Could be pretty that way. So color your trunk and your branches first. I like to start out with that part. And then I'm going to use green. You can use two different types of green. They have dark green and light green. So you can make some leaves dark and some light. Because if you look at the trees outside, the leaves can be different shades of green. Some could be light green and dark green. So once you finish coloring your tree, you can also add grass at the bottom of the tree. So I could just put some lines, some short lines like this. It's like the tree someplace, so you know it's outside. So I put some grass. You can put grass, you can put flowers, you can put anything on the ground. And that's my tree. Have fun with your tree drawing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And I'll see you next time.